Hello there, friends, and welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge. This is your host, Chef Walter Potenza. Today we're going to talk about a Frizinsal, which is a traditional dish that originated in the Friuli Venezia Giulia region of Italy. And this hearty and flavorful dish is a staple of Friulian cuisine, and it is enjoyed by people all over the world. Frizinsal is a type of soup made with beans, potatoes, onion, garlic, and bacon, or occasionally even ham. The soup is flavored with bay leaves, thyme, and rosemary, and it is simmered slowly for several hours to allow the flavors to melt together. The name Frizinsal is derived from the Friulian word frico, which means essentially to fry, and this refers to the process of frying the bacon or ham used before adding it to the soup, which gives the dish its distinctive smoky flavor. Frizinsal is often served as a main course, accompanied by crusty bread and a glass of red wine. That is also a popular dish to serve during the winter months, as it is warming and comforting on cold, frigid nights. The dish has a long history in the Friuli Venezia Giulia region, which dates back to the Middle Ages. It was originally a dish that was made by shepherds who were tending to their flocks in the mountains. They would use the ingredients that they had on hand, such as beans, potatoes, and bacon, to make a hearty and filling meal that would sustain them throughout the day. Over time, Frizinsal became a beloved dish in the region, and it was served in homes and restaurants throughout the Friuli Venezia Giulia. Today, it is considered a classic example of a Friulian cuisine, and that is enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. In recent years, Frizinsal has gained international recognition and has been featured in several food magazines and television shows. It has also been adapted by chefs and home cooks around the world who have put their own spin on the classic recipe. And so if I were to summarize, I will share that Frizinsal is a delicious and comforting dish that is beloved by people all over the world. Its rich history and cultural significance makes it a wonderful example of Friulian cuisine and a testament to the enduring legacy of traditional Italian cooking. And if you have a chance to try Frizinsal, do not hesitate, as it's sure to make an unforgettable culinary experience. And that is food history for today on Flavors and Knowledge. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll reconnect on the next round.